2026 Etrusco T5900 FB, a compact motorhome under 6 meters. What if I told you that you don't need a massive motorhome to enjoy real comfort, real freedom, and real road presence? What if under 6 meters you could still get a proper bed, a functional bathroom, a usable kitchen, and a motorhome that's genuinely easy to live with? This is the 2026 Etrusco T5900 FB, a compact motorhome that proves size isn't everything. Built for modern travelers who want flexibility without compromise, this might be one of the smartest layouts in the sub-6 meter category. Today, we're taking a full cinematic look at the Etrusco T5900 FB, its exterior design, interior living space, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, driving experience, and the technology packed inside. If you're considering downsizing or you're buying your first motorhome, this one deserves your attention. Exterior design. At just under 6 meters in length, the Etrusco T5900 FB immediately stands out for its clean proportions and no-nonsense design. The body is compact, tight, and purposeful, perfect for narrow roads, city driving, and tight campsites. The aerodynamic front profile helps with fuel efficiency while also giving the motorhome a modern, confident face on the road. Large side windows bring in natural light, while the streamlined roofline keeps height under control, important for parking, ferries, and overall drivability. Storage hatches are neatly integrated, and despite the compact footprint, there's still practical exterior access for essentials. This is a motorhome that looks manageable, and that's exactly the point. Interior and living space. Step inside, and the first impression is space, real, usable space. Etrusco has done a clever job with layout and color choices. Light materials, clean cabinetry, and smart window placement make the interior feel far larger than the exterior dimensions suggest. The lounge area is designed for daily living, not just sleeping. Comfortable seating, a practical dining table, and excellent headroom create a relaxed atmosphere for meals, work, or downtime. Large windows flood the interior with daylight, while LED lighting in the evening gives it a warm, modern feel. Everything feels intentionally placed, nothing wasted, nothing excessive. For a motorhome under 6 meters, this is impressively livable. Kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. The kitchen is compact but surprisingly capable. You get a proper cooktop, a sink with usable counter space, and smart storage for cookware and food supplies. The fridge is well positioned, and everything is within easy reach, perfect for quick meals or longer stays off-grid. Moving to the sleeping area, the fixed French bed is one of the highlights of this layout. It's comfortable, easy to access, and doesn't require daily setup or conversion. Overhead storage and nearby lighting make it practical for real travel, not just weekend trips. The bathroom continues the theme of smart design. It's compact, yes, but fully functional. A proper toilet, sink, and shower are neatly integrated, offering privacy and convenience without wasting space. For a motorhome this size, the balance here is excellent. Performance and driving experience. One of the biggest advantages of the Etrusco T5900 FB is how it drives. Thanks to its compact length and lighter weight, it feels far closer to a large van than a traditional motorhome. Maneuvering through cities, mountain roads, and tight parking spots is far less stressful. On the highway, it's stable and predictable. Suspension tuning is comfortable, visibility is good, and long drives feel relaxed rather than tiring. This is the kind of motorhome you'll actually enjoy driving, not just tolerate. Technology and smart features. Up front, the driver cockpit is modern and practical. You get a clean dashboard layout, an infotainment system with navigation and connectivity, and clear digital displays that keep essential information right where you need it. Climate control, lighting, and onboard systems are simple to manage, making daily operation easy even for first-time owners. This isn't flashy tech for the sake of it. It's smart, functional technology designed to make travel easier. Pros and cons. Pros. The compact size makes it easy to drive and park. Smart interior layout maximizes usable space. Fixed bed and full bathroom under 6 meters. Efficient, beginner-friendly motorhome design. Cons: limited storage compared to larger models. Compact bathroom may feel tight for some users. Not designed for large families. The 2026 Etrusco T5900 FB proves that compact doesn't mean compromised. It's practical, comfortable, easy to drive, and intelligently designed for travelers who value freedom and simplicity. Whether you're downsizing or stepping into motorhoming for the first time, this is a layout that makes a lot of sense. If you enjoyed this detailed walkthrough, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Drop a comment below and tell me, would you choose compact comfort over size? And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth motorhome tours just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.